In this video, we'll be telling about how to remove any admin from Telegram channel. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the Telegram channel from which you want to remove any admin. For example, I am selecting this channel. Important thing you should notice that you should be admin or owner of that channel to remove any other admin. And if you are admin, you should be having permission to add new admin. Anyways, to remove any admin, what you need to do is, above you can see this channel's name. Click on that channel's name. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see administrators. Click on administrators. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see owner and admins of this group. To remove any admin, what you need to do is, click on contact of that admin. When you are clicking on that, down here you can see dismiss admin option. Click on dismiss admin. When you are clicking on that, again you can see a pop-up message like this. Here dismiss admin option is there. Click on dismiss admin. When you are clicking on that, that admin will be removed from admin position. So this way you can easily remove admins in Telegram channel. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.